Oh yeah, it's the Boat Watch series on the Manny Moto Channel. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who's this? Oh, one more. Oh yes, I've seen him a few times. Hey everybody, it's the Manny Moto Channel Boat Watch series down at the Boynton Beach Inlet today. Whoa! Lake Man! Another regular down here. Woo. Okay, who got here? Edgewater? Hey everybody, welcome to the Boat Watch series. I'm Mr. Manny on the Manny Moto Channel. Feel free to hit the comment section. YouTube wants us to encourage viewers to engage more with the videos, so hit the comments, the like button, thank you. Resident squirrel and some birds. Hello, squirrel. Beautiful day out today, a little warm. And this is the second Saturday of July 12, 2025. Ocean Inlet Park. Let's see who this is. Okay, this looks like a sea hunter right here. Yes. Oh, no. Edgewater. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. That's nice. Moving in. And sunrise out there. And we got another boat coming. Oh, yeah. We got this guy. Yeah. Oh. Rapalo. And this guy. Little nice Yamaha powering that vessel. We're having a little conjugation over here. Yep. The invasion of the pigeons, or pigeon invasion. All right. I stopped at Wawa. I think they want my bacon croissant. Here's someone I haven't seen in a while. Southern Comfort 4 coming this way. The past 2 times I've been filming down here, I missed this guy. I don't know for whatever reason, but we're catching him today. Southern Comfort 4. another regular. Seen this guy plenty of times down here. Chaparral. Sea hunt. Busy morning so far. There was boats flying through this inlet as I was parking. So yeah, that's why I always start down here, because I real love, name of this guy, R-E-E-L love, because the action doesn't stop. When it dies down a little bit, then I start wandering over to the other side of the bridge. But right now, the activity is non-stop. Check this guy out. Another sea hunt out there. Oh, and a little robalo. Here comes Sea Miss 3. He's heading this way. Alright, Sea Miss 3. Here we go. Let's get a wave. Alright. We got a wave. Stand by, because Lady K is coming up next. And Lady K. Have not seen Living on Island Time yet, but we did see Southern Comfort 4. Now here comes Lady K, bird jack fishing. This guy, Pursuit, that's nice. Non-stop all morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's great. I've been here for like maybe an hour so far, and yeah, busy morning. A shot of the Intercoastal as we sit here and wait for some more boat action. It's the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto Channel, most Sundays at 9 a.m. There's a cluster of watercraft out there. And we got one little boat coming this way. And two others hanging out there. But we got this little guy coming. Almost missed this guy. Inbounder. Yeah. The pole's in the way. This guy. Pioneer. Very nice. I thought this guy was heading out, but no. I'm only on the corner here. I call it the corner. Usually a lot of people fishing over here, but so far I got the place to myself. Yeah. What's this guy doing? Alright. That's a nice watercraft right there. Got a set of Mercuries in the back there. I can't read the name of the boat, man. Almost had it. Oh. There we go. Alright. She's staying in the intercoastal. I wonder how much that thing costs, man. What do you think? Maybe 100 grand mark. Maybe. Alright, who we got here? Sea hunt. Alright, here we go. Living on island time, heading this way. And that would be the big charters. All of them are out there now. Well, once this guy gets out there, they'll all will be. Alright. Alright, living on island time. Here we go. Give a wave. I'm waving. See who waves back. Oh, I think we got one wave. Yep. The spot over here is alright. On the corner where I'm standing. I want to try to get towards the bridge now that things are quieting down a little bit. This would be a good time to break away and head to the overpass. Alright, another sea hunt. Whoa. And we got another guy coming behind him. Whoa. Nice. I thought I'd be able to get over to the bridge, but no. We still got activity. This is South Florida Diving Headquarters out there coming this way. Alright, we'll wait for this guy. Alright, South Florida Diving Headquarters. Loggerhead is coming up next. Loggerhead coming this way. He's out there in the coastal. He'll be coming on our way any moment. Alright, here comes Starfish Scuba. And we got another vessel behind him, but I'm gonna catch Starfish Scuba first. Ooh, it's hot today, ladies and gentlemen. Super hot. Oh, hey, we got a wave. I think he said Manny Moto. Starfish Scuba, look at that, man. A wave and a hunk. Yeah, man. And what we got? Oh, we got an Everglades. Sea Pro. Yeah, Boston Whaler. He's heading out. All right, here we go. Empty pockets too. Yeah, I see him from here time to time, and whoa. All right.
This is is Boat Watch on the Manny Moto Channel.
All right, we got this guy. Oh, I don't know what he's listening to, but. All right, finally made it to the bridge. Oh man, that shade is gonna feel so good. Oh yeah, here we go. It is so hot out there today. Yeah, no joke. The water's got that aqua blue in it today. That greenish tint this morning. Another edgewater out there. Nice. Oh, yeah. Beep. Oh, look at that. Nice. Gonna catch up around that curve. Yeah. Got this guy coming in. Ah, Tahoe. Hey, can we? Nice. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Mercury powered. Oh wait, someone else is coming. All right, jet ski. Yep. And there was this. Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's presentation. I'm Mr. Manny of Manny Moto Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Hey man, you never know what you're gonna find when you come down to the inlet. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping by. This is the Manny Moto Channel. This is the Boat Watch series. Most Sundays at 9 a.m. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. This one is in the books.